Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel World of Life Sciences. I'm Monica and on this channel I share every sort of information related to the field of life sciences, general sciences and all around research going all around the world. So I welcome you all, and before starting today's video I would like to thank you all for your love and support for my first video, and for all the appreciation and good wishes you have given me for my first video. Thank you so much. So let's start with today's video. So today's topic is vaccine as a lifesaver to COVID-19. Starting with basic introduction to what is vaccine. A vaccine is a biological preparation which is made from microorganism that has a resemblance to those microorganisms which is causing disease. When it is exposed to the immune system in a safe way, it will lead to production of antibodies in your body and further memorize how to fight off that harmful pathogen and protect the body from it in future. Now, basically, it is a biological preparation of the made from microorganism which has a resemblance to the one causing disease. So when it is being injected in your body, there would be production of antibodies to it, and when there would be any secondary infection, so your body would recognize that yes, I have been infected with this microorganism in the past also. So now it will be protecting your body from this disease causing microorganism. Now vaccines are important because they can greatly reduce and prevent the spread of disease. And in past there has been a lot of diseases, life-threatening diseases, which has been eradicated by vaccines. The simplest example is your smallpox, which is declared eradicated by WHO Global Commission. If we talk about the COVID vaccine in India, there are three COVID vaccines in India right now. One is Covishield, which is manufactured by Serum Institute of India. Covaxin, manufactured by Bharat Biotech Limited. Sputnik, which is manufactured by Gamaleya Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology. Sputnik is being manufactured in Russia. It is a Russia-based antibody vaccine. Now, Covishield. If we talk about Covishield, so this vaccine is basically a weakened version of common cold virus, which has been isolated from chimpanzee, and it has been further modified so that it could look like coronavirus, but it doesn't cause any illness. Which means that this vaccine has a common cold virus in it, which has been isolated from chimpanzee. This common cold virus has been then genetically modified to look like a coronavirus. But when it is injected in your body, it is not causing any illness. Now, this Covishield is given in 2 doses and at the interval of 12 weeks between first and the second dose. If you talk about its storage and expiry, so it is stored at 2 to 8 degree. It can be stored at 2 to 8 degree for 6 months. And if I talk about the prices in Indian national rupees, so for government it's rupees 300 per dose to state and rupees 600 per dose to private hospitals. And for citizens it's rupees 250 in private hospitals and free at government centers. Second vaccine is your Covaxin, which is manufactured by Bharat Biotech Limited, which is an inactivated vaccine, which means it is made up of your killed coronavirus. That means coronavirus has been killed, and then it has been then that is being injected in the body. So since it is a killed coronavirus, it is safe to be injected into the body. And the Bharat Biotech has used this sample of coronavirus, which was isolated by National Institute of Virology. Now, this vaccine is also given in 2 doses with 4 to 8 weeks gap in between. The storage is again 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. If I talk about the price in Indian national rupees, for government it's rupees 600 per dose for state governments and rupees 1200 per dose for private hospitals. For citizen, rupees 250 in private hospitals and free at the government centers. Now, if I talk about Sputnik, which is being manufactured by Gamaleya Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology, now this work on again on the principle of weakened COVID virus, which deliver part of the pathogen which is triggering immune response inside your body. And on 12 April 2021, India has approved to use this vaccine for the emergency purpose. As you know, there are a lot of cases right now, so it has been given approval to use in India. Okay, and it also needed to be stored at a temperature of minus 18 degrees Celsius in liquid form. Similar, if I talk about the doses and time gap, so again it has to be given in 2 doses at the interval of 21 days. Now, the question is how vaccine is a lifesaver for COVID-19 disease. This is the main important question we have to discuss. Now, if whether your vaccine is attenuated or it has a killed virus or it has another adenovirus which has been modified to look like coronavirus. Now when these viruses are injected into your body, so whenever they've been injected into your body, in response to this injection there would be activation of immune cells inside your body. Now those immune cells will make antibodies, and these antibody would they will fight against the invader. Now, when there is a COVID infection next time, the antibodies will fight against the infection more effectively, thereby protecting the life of the person. Which means, इसका यहाँ पे exactly main point ये है कि अगर आपकी बॉडी के अंदर कोई वायरस ये वैक्सीन जो है इंजेक्ट की जा रही है, जिसके अंदर या तो एटेन्यूएटेड वायरस है या किल्ड वायरस है या फिर कोई ऐसा वायरस है जो वीकेंड फॉर्म में है, जैसे हम हमारे स्पुतनिक के अंदर कोरोना वायरस वीकेंड फॉर्म में होता है, तो जब वो वैक्सीन आपकी बॉडी के अंदर इंजेक्ट हो रही है तो उस टाइम पे आपकी बॉडी एक इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स प्रोड्यूस करेगी. जब ये इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स जो प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि आप उस वायरस के अगेंस्ट आपकी बॉडी एंटीबॉडी बना रही है. अब आपकी बॉडी को पता चल गया कि ये वायरस का इन्फेक्शन हुआ, मुझे इसके अगेंस्ट एंटीबॉडी बनी है. अब जब फ्यूचर में आपको कभी इन्फेक्शन होता है तो आपकी बॉडी को रिकॉग्नाइज रहेगा कि पास्ट में मुझे इससे इन्फेक्शन हो चुका है और इसके लिए मुझे इफेक्टिव एंटीबॉडीज बनानी. तो अब योर बॉडी वुड फाइट इफेक्टिवली, thereby protecting the life of a person. So इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर आपने वैक्सीन लगवा ली है तो आपको कोविड-19 का इन्फेक्शन नहीं हो सकता. कोविड-19 का इन्फेक्शन आपको वैक्सीन लगाने के बाद भी हो सकता है, बट द चांसेस ऑफ डेथ और चांसेस ऑफ योर of the dead of this disease converting into very brutal form would be reduced, so the person would be comparatively safe. The chances of death would be low. So that is why it is very important to get vaccine, and the person should not think कि for which vaccine I should go, कि मैं स्पुतनिक लगाऊं, कि कोवैक्सीन लगाऊं, कि कोविशील्ड लगाऊं, because at this time the priority is to get vaccinated, because you would be safe. You would be safe from this disease if you are vaccinated. So therefore, it is important that you should get yourself vaccinated. Now, of course, there are some side effects of this vaccine which has been reported by people who have got vaccinated. These side effects are like fever, fatigue, headache, chills, muscle pain, and pain at the injection site. But even if you get vaccination, like in past also you have get vaccination for other diseases also, these side effects you must have not always, but yes, you must have experienced such kind of side effect in past also. So there is nothing to worry. These are just a immune response of your body. So this is important that you should get yourself vaccinated so that you can protect yourself from this COVID infection, which can be otherwise very dangerous. Now, I would like if any of you have any queries related to this topic or any question you want me to answer, so you can write in the comment section, and I would be discussing those questions which you want to be discussed in the future video. So thank you so much for watching. And please like and subscribe for more updates, and God bless you all and your family. Thank you so much.